Yo, today I'll be going over a watch list and some plays. So first we have is Roblox, and we're sitting near recent lows. I think if we can bounce off around here, we can have a triple bottom, and the neckline will be 43.20. I have a trigger if we break below 42.50, just in case we wick through this area support, or if we get a hammer. For the long side, I will consider a long above 43.40, which is about this range of the last 5 candles. But you can also take a safer entry on this break of the wick. Next we have is Costco in a very tight triangle. Below 597 and 10, I am short, and above 603 and 90, I am long. On the daily, this is a inside bar, which is a trading range day where we have a lower high but a higher low than yesterday's candle. I think Monday will be a directional candle where we continue to move up higher, or do we pull back. This can also be a great 3 bar play if Monday we have a very bullish candle. But below, if we do break down, there's also a small gap. The next one is sort of a follow-up on a previous video where I talked about NOC, about defensive companies, and this one is RTX, and we're still consolidating in this triangle. On Friday, we did have a failed breakout, which is not ideal, but let's see if we can get a second try. If we break above 101 and 80, then I will consider it to be bullish, but my short trigger will be a break of 97.95. Next up is IRM, Iron Mountain, and this is a very textbook setup. If you don't know what this is a broadening top where we have equal lows but higher highs. It's usually a bearish reversal pattern, but recently we had a 12-day rally and we're currently consolidating just on resistance. So this is bullish and bearish at the same time. Just watch for a breakout on either side of the flag. If we take out the high, then I would consider to go long, but if we take out the wick of 54.55, then I will go short, and we have a chance to see this going back into support. The last one is TTD, and I like this a lot. If you ignore my other lines and focus on the bigger picture, there is a big falling wedge. I have a gap trigger at 70, 75, but for the breakout, I'll have to just continue watch and wait. But for the downside, I have a 62.35 break, which we can either test at previous low or support. Either way, I think you should have this on your watch list, because if we get a breakout, I think this will run big.